All right now we have two groups of students, actually 8 students, all right? So we can pair them up. For example, yes, Hajar, who is your pair? Erdem. All right, Selçuk, who is your pair? Ayşe. All right, so the same goes on like that. Okay, right now, the rule is that, for example, as teacher, we can assign them some topics. Okay, Erdem and Hajar, you're going to talk about that topic. Tell us who you think are the two most important people in the world today and explain why you think so. Wow. Okay, I think you love the topic. Yeah? That's great. Okay, you can be paired. All right. Start talking about that. All right. And actually, I can, as a teacher, assign different topics. All right. But the thing is that, to make the students talk around the same topic, we can do the same thing. Okay, so each group, all right, you're going to talk about the same thing like them, okay? So you will tell us who you think are the most important two people in the world, all right? And explain why you think so. Yes, start please. 2 minutes. All right. Hey guys, time is up. Time is up. Okay. Right now, as a teacher, there's tip. For example, if you want your students to talk more with different people, we can do only something like that. Hajar, can you please come here? All right. Now, each person, please come. One step here. Yes. So, Ayşe, who is your new pair? Erdem. All right. So, Hajar, you're going to the end of that one. All right. So just picking up only one student in the line and putting her or him in the end makes them pairing up with new students. All right. Say hi. Great.